Imagine a cycle Earth repeats every 13,000 years. A cycle that shifts the magnetic field, changes the climate, and maybe even human consciousness. Ancient civilizations spoke about it. But today, it's modern science starting to confirm it. And the signs that this cycle is returning are becoming harder to ignore. What happens to our planet every 13,000 years, and why are so many researchers silent? Earth doesn't just spin, it wobbles like a top. This motion is called the precession of the equinoxes and takes about 26,000 years to complete. Science confirms this cycle. And many ancient cultures split it in two: 13,000 years of rise, 13,000 of decline. They believed something cosmic happened at the midpoint. A realignment, a kind of reset, and right now we're at that exact turning point. Earth's magnetic field has flipped hundreds of times. The last reversal happened 780,000 years ago. And many scientists believe another one is on the way. The magnetic North Pole is moving fast, and the field has lost over 30% of its strength. ESA and NASA have confirmed these changes. We single quotes in uncharted territory, and the clock is ticking. Around 12,800 years ago, Earth experienced a mini ice age, the event known as the Younger Dryas. It happened suddenly and catastrophically, changing the global climate in a matter of months. Some scientists suggest it was caused by a comet impact. Others point to a sudden shift in ocean currents. But they all agree on one thing: it was a civilization-altering event. The sun has its own cycles, and we're entering the most active one in decades. Solar cycle to 5. NASA and NOAA warn it could bring powerful solar storms. The last big one in 1859 burned telegraph systems and caused auroras as far south as Cuba. Today, a similar event could wipe out satellites and global power grids. And yes, these cycles seem to align with a larger rhythm, one that echoes every 13,000 years. The South Atlantic anomaly is weakening Earth's magnetic field so much that satellites malfunction. ESA and NASA have already lost instruments over this zone. We single quotes also seeing more earthquakes, extreme weather, and auroras appearing in unusual locations. There's small warnings, signs that something is shifting fast. But most people remain distracted by what's on the surface. Our ancestors left clues, myths, sky maps, temples aligned with stars. And now science finds layers of ash, melted glass, and radiation spikes in ancient trees. What was once myth is now backed by evidence. They tried to warn us. Science is just now decoding the message. And the connection to the 13,000-year cycle has never been clearer. Science doesn't say the world will end. But it does show with data that major natural shifts happen in cycles. And many of those cycles line up with the 13,000-year pattern. If that's true, maybe we're not witnessing the end, but the beginning of something much greater. And are you ready for the awakening?